Why is nobody talking about this tradition in Nnewi, a town in Anambra State, where your wife is brought forward to insult you in the presence of people? During 2 stages of Ozo Nnewi initiation process, your wife would be brought to insult you. After your wife has been read the do's and don'ts of your new status, how she should prepare your food and handle some domestic matters moving forward. This short orientation session is ended with your wife being asked to insult you. Your wife goes on to call you all manner of unprintable names like a stupid man, drunkard, a fulefu, madman, good for nothing man, what and all. One may ask, what is the reason behind these strange rites? The reason is simple. The culture realized that women have sharp tongues and by default we always resort to it. Bear in mind that Onyenze is Nnawi, a holy personage that cannot be insulted without reaction from the gods. He took his other title in their stead. So, the wife insulting the about to be initiated Onyenze in front of the gods during Ozo initiation rites is to remind the gods that they may likely see this scenario in the future, and when they do, they should leave this particular fellow with her insults. Yes, no harm should come to her because she insulted her husband because she is the only person licensed to. If the gods are reminded that a wife has the liberty to insult her husband, does the living who do the reminding need such reminder? Interestingly, does this mean that Igbo culture do not condone or support domestic violence? Tell me in the comments what you actually think about this tradition. Is it right or wrong?